what is, in my opinion, the most brutal death on The Walking Dead to date, and that is Noah. Okay?
Yeah,
That
yeah.
famous revolving door scene where there's no other way to put it. Nicholas' actions get Noah killed.
Uh,
Uh,
I, I dare to argue. I dare to argue, sir. I think
oh, I'd love to hear your counter argument, and
when
let's
go ahead.
hear it. Let's hear it. I want to hear
Well,
it.
like we just saw in the clip, when the young dashing hero Nicholas escapes the horrible revolving door to go run back and get help, Glenn, holding on to his compatriot, Glenn let go. When Nicholas leaves, Glenn, Noah's alive. He's screaming, "Don't let go! Don't let go!" And what does Glenn do? He lets go. I mean, if I knew that was gonna be the case, I would have stayed, held on to Noah, and let Glenn run back. But no, no.
I could see your point. I don't know if everybody's going to share in that opinion, but okay. Yeah, I mean, maybe Steven could have held on against about 100 dead, reanimated corpses pulling on Noah's leg, but
Come on, it's like arm wrestling with vegans. It's not that hard.
now,
Come on.
what was your reaction when you read that? What the sequence of events? Nicholas escaping through the revolving doors, as you put it, Glenn not being able to hold on to Noah, and leading
Hashtag Glenn let go.
Glenn
Hashtag
let
Glenn
go.
let